Hi Geminis, Aquarius and Libra. Welcome to your reading. Okay, how have you been? Hopefully that you all are doing well. That's going to be timeless, but if there's calling, I'm going to give the date and or the month or the week, okay? Sending you love all the way from India. And let's begin. Follow on Instagram SSHE LLS Shells Running. I see when they come, this card is prominent, 9 of Wands energy. When they come, doubts will be there. What they are going to do for you will create more doubts. Okay, something that is in the energy mode of like when they come, because I see when they come, okay, when they come. There are exclamations, there are questions, there are stars, there are butterflies, there are hearts, there is something like kind of emojis that attracts you and makes you feel good. But when they come, everything comes along, okay, and that's what I see. So you have bottom energy as the Lovers. Interesting. I'm going to use another deck as well, just in case. There is just in case. Anyways, the Lovers, Gemini, you might be dealing such a situation, something might be happening with you. You may be dealing with the Sun, Leo. There may be something, this is something coming as a new sun in your life, kind of like new love, new approach, new life kind of feeling, new, there is exaggeration of things, exceed limits of things, expression is here, that's what I see, okay? So when they come, maybe people are experiencing that energy of like when they come, I'm going to get ready like that, when they come, you know, and this goes from both the sides. But right now, there is something happening that may be creating that bubbles, those bubbles in the water, waves, okay, not tsunami, shouldn't, okay. But this Page of Cups energy, there may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. I don't know which deck I use, no matter what I do, water is really, really heavy, and I feel many people are dealing with water signs a lot, okay. If they come, they come. We can say, oh no, we will not take that because it's again water sign. Okay, we are dealing on day-to-day basis. We all know that. Okay, we do have questions, right? Sometimes I do have questions of like why this is coming. There is something that feels good actually. I don't know whether right or wrong, but this feels good. New friendship, new belonging. I mean, you belong with me kind of energy. Okay, the Lovers is about something you were supposed to enter in this realm after, especially this. Someone disheartened you or gave you disheartened situation, and now people are in search of their high vibe reunions or unions. Let's say that they just don't want to be with, you know, but they want to be with the bow, the respect or the connection should be like that. That's what at least we feel and we want. Let's see the overall energy. There's going to be, I'm telling you, after disheartened situations, after giving up on friendships, after losing contacts, after breakups, after separations, after divorces, kind of situation when nothing worked, kind of energy. Some friendship created situations after that. When you come, so they are coming. And it will bring those stars, those exclamations, those questions, they are coming. You may expect some of you in the coming time. They may be offer. And I'm going to take this card because they asked me to. Can you tell me something else? I'm picking the letters S. Maybe the initials. S. R. For some of you. This may go as an initials of like the names you have kept, like home names or nicknames or the name, you know, however it goes, the formal ones. And they're floating in the air, just like exclamations and emojis. I heard the word bringing, so maybe the bringing is offer. Maybe bringing is something nice in your life. This may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay, not for everyone, but for some. Or maybe this is just not the sign, this is also the vibe of like some authentic offer coming your way, and this will be offered from unexpectedly, unexpectedly coming in your life, kind of. I did my live, I went live, okay, so the streams that I've done, you may see that because it's written already streamed, okay. There was one that I did of crawl, CRAWL, and I feel like that may resonate with many of you regardless of any signs, because I'm doing Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, so I'm saying here because I just remember that. With the crawl, there is nothing like I said, so not like this, not like this, not like this. It was like crawl, which is slow. So there is this thing with Four of Cups. I heard like not the time to discuss something negative or not the time to discuss something of old, and I'm not talking about anything abusive, anything violent or something like that, not the extremes. It's just that something never worked, may have chance now. May have chance now. Let's take a fresh approach, okay? An offer that is coming from the judgment scenario. An offer that something was not served properly then will be served to you now. This may be even work. This may be something connected with your life. Okay? Some of you have flowers business. Some of you are, players. Some of you are musicians. Some of you write, book, painting, whatever you do. Some of you are tarot readers. Intuitive people, energies, spiritual workers, healers, enchanters, which, anyways, that's like something will be brought to you now, then versus now. Change of situations, change of perspective, change of the way the person behaves or is doing something. My water is almost empty. Please ignore the sounds. All I can say is that because I don't have peace. I don't have, in Hindi it is known as Shanti. Shanthi, Shanti. I don't have peace here of sounds at least. But inside it is peaceful. There is this someone who is attracted to you. And the pull will be so much that defenses will go down. You people won't fight anymore for something. Okay, I feel like it's going to be served to you because you're not fighting, but you did the law of attraction kind of situation. Okay, now here you go. Seven of Wands is reversed, which is about no more fighting for something, but it is going to be served to you. Something that you need not to fight for, not to have competition for. This is going to be the approach. This is going to be the offer. With no fight, it is coming. It's not like I want, don't go. This is coming, genuinely reaching you. Genuinely will be served to you. Genuinely will be announced. Genuinely. Someone may end up saying you're important. You need not required to fight for your emotions or fight for someone's presence in your life. Okay, it's like, I think, mutual. Maybe Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You're going to be important. Or something is going to be important. With the Empress energy, there's going to be flow. There's going to be connectivity. There's going to be resonance. There's going to be someone who does want to make you the Empress, kind of. Okay, so we can say that your Emperor is coming. We don't have the Emperor, but I feel with the Four of Cups energy possible, the offer is coming from Emperor, if that fits you. What are you going to do? Do you still want your guards up, kind of? Because with the Empress is looking. Okay, we're going to see what's here. when you come, when they come. When they come, when you go, whatever what I said, okay? So the Hermit, maybe Virgo. But I see like someone is looking for you. Some of you might be dealing with the same sign, Aquarius. If that's not the case, someone is looking for you. It's about the one who will present themselves in a different light, looking for you kind of energy. And with the Hermit, someone is contemplating, considering even. So consideration. Just look at the card first. They are looking for you. They are looking for their Empress, okay? They may act like, you know, I'm the Hermit, but they're actually the Emperor, okay? So with the Emperor vibe, I feel like they're going to own. They're going to make a move here. Look at the Chariot. Can say it impossible. But look at the Chariot. Chariot is all about the right move at the right time that they're going to do for you. But I feel when you come, oh my God, when you come, I said when you come. But when you come, this is about the come. This is about travel, being decisive. Do you want to meet me if I come? This person may be a little bit introvert in a way that they don't want to meet or open up about something right now. Possible they are very I apologize. That's why I was quiet. Okay. This person may be having inside light and inside warmth, but all they want is a little bit should I say secret, because I'm hearing secret meeting kind of, but still I want to say that they want to meet you alone, possible. And I don't know if you have to take care of yourself, okay? Be responsible for your karma, but there may be some travel coming from some side. The last time you weren't able to meet, and this time you're going to, okay? This may be from Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They are in awe. And look at the card. I'm going to take that, okay? The way you see. This is Ace of Cups. Yes, this is Ace of Cups. This may be that they are going to offer you. Something was worth waiting for, possible for many of you. I really wish your wishes come true. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Someone may express love, express your love, or you may end up expressing. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. You've been connected. Some of you are going to give relationship chance. Work on your partnership. Now, giving your relationship chance maybe for the first time. Giving someone a chance. Giving each other a chance. You don't want to be dependent on anyone's feelings or anyone, because you are independent. Self-sufficient should be the word. Something should not harm both of you or both of your connection. That's what I think you want. Friendship, happiness, luxury, love, money, status, lifestyle. Anything that shouldn't affect each other's connection. And I think that's what the thing is all about. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Maybe this was and you don't want. Maybe this is something that you don't want this thing to hinder. Okay? This all stuff that may be happening or will happen. You're also having that thought of like, what if this repeats? What if this go the way I don't want? Like, I don't want it to suffer. You don't want, this chemistry to suffer. There's this man or female, man or woman, but just the way I'm saying, like, this came through. There's this man, there's a strong magnetic attraction here, definitely, and that's why this is an express your love relationship. This may be the hindrance. Codependency. Free will, being free. 3 of Swords energy. This maybe the thought, it shouldn't repeat, it shouldn't happen, the breakup shouldn't happen, the guarantees we are seeking, the things that we feel, it's like having future something. Look, okay, now there's this man who may show you different version of world. They're free, you're free to go in something, but there's also someone who excites you different ways. They might be showing you something, this world. Just look at this. They're showing you this, they're showing you this, they're showing you this. So, and they're going to hold you close. There is attraction. There's love that talks about. I see they want to be interested in holding you like this. Like this. And I feel, I don't know why I'm getting this energy of they want to spend time with you. And they might be holding you and looking at you, and they may have that little bit of this situation here, like this. Because when they're going to hold you, or they're going to be near you, they're going to see you. And when they see you, or they are figuring you out and they're talking to you, they're also going to hold you and feel like, I should not do this to her. Or female vibe is thinking the same, okay? I should not do this to her. This to her, possible, nothing wrong. This is about decide. I feel someone gonna express their love to you. I feel. However, this can go vice versa. We all talk about that stuff, but still I feel that energy. And with this chemistry, they're in awe. And I okay, fine. What? Okay, so they are seeking, oh my god, I just picked up the deck here, Sibila, and I left this particular card, but I picked up and you have lover. So there's lover at your place. There's lover who is coming. There may be some visit. They may be visiting your town, your home, or your place, or you may end up talking, meeting at a hotel, or restaurant, whatever the stuff is. Be responsible for your karma. I was about to give you the features. This person does have beard, mustache, long hair possible, just like this, or maybe just beard and like this, okay. They have big arms, they are tall, they're very tall. There's going to be something mysterious that will happen, which is, again, there's going to be rainfall. It's going to be something, this may be the night when you're going to meet with this person, and outside restaurant there is rainfall. This may happen in these dates when you listen, and this is going to happen. Even, some people came after like 2 to 3 years and they said that something happened back then and now they're together. It depends, okay? Everyone's timeline is different. I see like there's going to be rainfall, there's going to be very, shivers, breeze, wind, and you won't feel that. You won't feel that because this person is going to give you that warmth with talk, expression, confession. They're going to make you feel comfortable. I feel someone is going to make you feel comfortable. Messenger. The message that comes from far. The message that may be of happiness. There's also fortune. Some of you are going to earn. There's inflow. You may receive. There's also draft, possible check, pay, something like that. Messenger is also someone who is actually sending you certain message via post, a postcard, letter, or email, or something like that. Sources are different, but there's this messenger who's going to bring message your way. Possible it's of someone's arrival. They may end up saying, you want to meet? We may end up meeting, you know. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.